Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email saying this plus key on their keyboard is not making a copy. I just hit the plus key on my keyboard and it made a copy. Now, a couple of things that I'm thinking about. One, the key could go bad. You know, if you could try some calculations, like on a calculator and like use those keys and it hits the plus sign and it adds it up. The only other thing I can think of, copy is underneath Control C, which is a little bit confusing in itself. It doesn't work like you think it should. I'm going to Control C and make copy. It didn't make a copy, but it kind of did, because then you can go to Control V, which is paste, and it'll paste that copy. So the plus key is real important to me, just be able to hit it, make a copy, and move it over. And I use Control D a lot, which makes a copy. But you see what Control D just did? It moved my copy. So I'm going to Control D and move it this far over. When I Control D again, it moves it equally over, which is really cool in itself if you want them spaced out equally. But if you want to just put a couple in sporadically and then hit the plus key and move it over. So my suggestion to him right now, and I've already emailed him, is to shut Corel down and reboot it holding down the F8 key. What that does, it'll set it and keep it on, keep the button held down till it prompts you with a question to reset it your defaults and you answer yes. That should solve his problem. He thinks it just started because he has 2017. Well, I just checked an old computer where I have 16 and 17 on it, and they still both work with the plus key. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.